As you know, I work on a bunch of projects at once, and a lot of times I'm doing stuff off camera and I forget to show the beginning. So I thought maybe I would give you an idea of some of the things I'm thinking about working on right now, some of the things I've started, some of the things I'm planning. But as you see them in various stages, then you will know where they all began. And it just lets you know the way my brain's been working lately. My brain has been like going 900 miles an hour with so many ideas that it's been really hard to zero in and pick a few things. But I really like to have some stitching to work on in the evenings when we're sitting on the couch. And then I want to do some messy projects that are on camera. I've got some jelly printing coming up. I've got some paper techniques. And I'm going to go back to making journals. Yes, you heard it. Back to paper for a little while, and some Just Because books. And I'm planning some classes. I'm so excited to finally be thinking about classes. So if there are things that you think you might want to learn from me, that you might want to see a class from me in, please let me know down in the comments. And let me show you what my brain's been exploding about lately. So you might have seen some of this over on Instagram, and I don't know if I showed any of this in my live stream, but I think over on Instagram. And this is a piece of felt that's had a bunch of fabrics and laces stitched to it and then painted. So I'm experimenting with this, playing with some different stitch ideas, and just having fun. It's a nice sized piece, and I have a few more pieces. I have the blue one that I had been thinking about, and I'm thinking this, this is the ocean, right? I've got to try my ocean thing on a smaller scale than my big yellow piece. Now I'm still working on the great big yellow piece I'm calling Uncharted Territories, but there's a lot of beadwork to be done on it, and it's kind of fiddly and kind of boring to watch on camera all the time. And this is a green one, and I was thinking on this one, I might do just all flowers, all kinds of stitches of flowers. That's kind of what I'm playing with here. This is another piece of the same Uncharted Territories fabric. This was like an old paint cloth, so there's chunks of paint. And so I was kind of thinking I might just kind of play around with this, use this as another kind of experimental piece. This is something I had started playing with a while ago. I had started some stitches, and what you can't see behind the cheesecloth here is there was like a square, I don't know, something from it's coffee dyed, and there was like a square thing, and it was too square, and I wanted to cover it up. So that's what I did. I covered it up with some cheesecloth, and then I just started playing a little bit, and I realized last night when I was looking at these that these bullion knots are making me think of starfish. So I'm going to work them up a little bit more, and maybe a bunch of starfish. This will be a very simple, small piece. Then I have this, which was another piece of material I had thrown in for some coffee dyeing. And I just love just the very subtle patterns in it. And so I think I'm going to play with kind of doing something, again, very simple. Let me see if I can zoom you out on this one. Maybe some cheesecloth, because, who doesn't love some cheesecloth? And just a few stitches. I don't know. I'm just kind of playing with the ideas. I like to have these different things to bounce around from. And then I've got this, which this was, I think the sheet was green to start. It kind of looks kind of blue here on camera, but it's green with shades of green. And it's almost something. This was just dyed with leftover paint water. And what I want is a big piece that it's just got just some interesting things in the background that I want to cover the whole thing with straight stitches, seed stitches. And so I'm thinking I might need to add some other colors to it. I might take a couple of sprays to it, and we've got some coffee grounds draining from some cold brewed coffee. And I might add, I might just kind of like dribble them on there and let them sit for a day. But then I want just a piece that I can just have, not really thinking about anything else, just more of a meditation thing. And then finally, I have these blues. And you can't really see, boy, the blue shade. This is more of a turquoise. It's not coming across on my camera quite as much. I have two sizes, so I might try the small one first. But again, I'm thinking ocean. And these were both dyed with acrylic paint. I have a video about that. I can put a link to that up in the description. So I'm thinking ocean with this. I mean, blue, right? Don't we think ocean? But maybe I'll do the big one in the ocean, and maybe this one will just be a nice way to sample just blues, just a variety of blues. I don't know, but I'm pondering it. And like I said, most of this stuff will be done off camera. Maybe not all of it. I don't know. So I think it's fun to always keep little pieces like this around, and they're quick to finish. You feel satisfied when you finish something like this, and then you can always, layer them up on something else. Keep stitching, keep experimenting, keep making art just because it makes you happy.